sir.
JRD Tata.
Yeah, JRD Tata, sir, which inspired you a lot to become an entrepreneur.
Well,
It
actually,
sort of sparked an interest in entrepreneurship for
well,
you.
so my father was in the government, doctor in the government, and there are children who will do what their parents do, and there are children who simply will not do that. They'll do anything else but that. So I was the second guy, right? So I said, I'll not join the government and not be a doctor. Which meant that if government में नहीं हो तो कहाँ हो या तो academics पे जाओ. Okay, but मेरे को PhD did not appeal to me to do to do a PhD and teach and research, which basically left business, it left management, it left corporate sector, and then I did see a cover story in some magazine. Was it India Today or was it Business India? I forget. In the mid 70s. With JRD Tata on the cover. And I read that story. I was 11, 12 years old. And I said, at some point in time, I should maybe start a company. And that sort of was a fuzzy dream then. It kind of stayed with me and it fructified into more concrete ambition.
So this is exactly what happened with me with this book. I was 12 years old, exactly 12 years old. Stay Hungry, Stay Foolish by Madam Rashmi Bansal. And the first chapter is on Sanjeev Bichhandani, sir.
Yeah, so...
Beautiful. It also inspired me to become an
So it's a little exaggerated, but... okay, so I'm not sure it's entirely true, but no, I'll tell you what the history of this book. So around 2006 or 7, we just listed the company, and I had gone to IIM Ahmedabad, the Center for Innovation, Incubation, Entrepreneurship. And Professor Rakesh Pasant, Sunil Handa, Kunal Upadhyay and I were sitting, and they were telling me that, we have a problem. And I said, what? They said, the problem is that everybody who joins IMA, before joining only, they have decided what job they want afterwards.
Of course.
Goldman Sachs, McKinsey, whatever.
Yeah.
तो उन्होंने डिसाइड कर लिया मैं कंसल्टिंग जाऊँगा इन्वेस्टमेंट और ये फर्म में जाऊँगा. So not enough for becoming entrepreneurs. How do we promote entrepreneurship among the students of IIM Ahmedabad? That is a simple focus problem. So मैंने कहा देखो that's because you're not telling enough stories about people who went after IIM Ahmedabad to do something different. Maybe entrepreneurship. Because all your case studies are about professional managers, all your heroes among the alumni who come and give guest lectures, CEOs and CXOs of companies who have
executive suits basically.
Right. All your, you give your list of placement and you give your average salaries and your highest salary. These are all jobs in large corporations. So you will attract those students who want to do that. And once they are here, that will get reinforced. Your case studies about it. I said, how many case studies do you have about startups? So I said, you have to tell stories. So that's when the idea of this book came.
Yeah.
That we will tell stories of 25 IIMA alumni who went out and became entrepreneurs. And here are their life story. And we'll give this book to every student of IIM Ahmedabad the day he joins.
Beautiful.
So that's where this idea originated. Rashmi Bansal herself is a founder, entrepreneur, journalist, and also an alumnus of IIM Ahmedabad. So she was contracted to write this book. And she wrote it. She did a good job. And they printed 2,000 copies, thinking, ये 5 batch chalega, because 400 students per batch, so it'll be good enough 5 classes. The book got sold out in 2 weeks. We printed 2,000 more, it got sold out in 2 more weeks. Then they began to print more and more and more. So this book was a runaway sort of bestseller.
Yeah.
With 7,000-8,000 selling every month.
And at that time, only 7,000 was bestseller.
Yeah, so 7,000 a month बिकता था. It was in print for several years. Now it's out of print. And it's just the idea of telling compelling stories, real life stories of people who were middle class students, how they went out and did something different. And because I had given the idea, they put the first chapter on me.
Wow, I didn't know that. So that's something new that came out finally. This is terrific. We come to this book.
And they, by coincidence, they launched it on my birthday. There was a conference in Ahmedabad, I think 2008. And it happened to be my birthday, and they launched it on my birthday,
When's that, sir?
June 29.
June 29. Belated happy birthday, sir.
Thank you.
So